Hey guys, subscribe to Shyam Sundar 1997's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shamsundar 1997 Animations presents Peppa destroys the cuckoo clock in the living room/grounded.
Man, I can't believe I got grounded for ripping George's pop-up dinosaur book. What should I do today? I know, I'm going to destroy the cuckoo clock in the living room. Ha 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 ha. Alright, now I found the cuckoo clock in the living room. It's time to destroy it. Yes, I destroyed the cuckoo clock in the living room. Yes, I destroyed the cuckoo clock in the living room. Yes, I destroyed the cuckoo clock in the living room. Now to run away before I get caught. Alright, let's see, what time is it? Oh no, our cuckoo clock, it's been destroyed. Who could have done this? Wait a minute, I bet it was Peppa. She destroyed the cuckoo clock in the living room. Well, she is going to be big trouble. Peppa, 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 get over here right now. What is it, Mom? Peppa, did you destroy the cuckoo clock in the living room? Tell me the truth right now, or else you are grounded. Yes, I did. Peppa, how dare you destroy the cuckoo clock in the living room? Now I have to buy a new one thanks to you. This cuckoo clock costed $500. That's it. You are grounded for 84 weeks. Go to your room right now, and I will tell your father about this when he gets home. Wow.